Hey everybody, welcome to another video from Banner Engineering. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm joined today by Rob Wiedemann. Rob, what are we going to be unboxing today?
Bob, today we've got the new WLS27 Pro configurable LED strip light product and the latest addition to Banner's line of Pro lighting products.
Very cool. So today we're going to unbox this thing next, and then we're going to actually plug in our Pro Editor software, and you're going to get to see the Pro Editor tool and how the light responds to the changes that we make in real time. So with that, we're going to get started, get you a better camera angle. All right. Okay, so we're going to start by unboxing a 1 foot heavy diffuse model of our WLS27. Rob, while I'm doing that, could you tell everybody what lengths are available in the WLS27 Pro?
Yeah, Bob, we start down at 6 inches, about 145 millimeters, and we have 6 inches, a foot and a half, 2 feet, 3 feet, and 4 foot long models.
Wow, okay, so there's a lot of variety, as you just heard. Now, what we all have in the box here is we have the light, we have our standard data sheet. Of course, that can be found online, but it does help you get started and gives you a few tips on the light. And then we also have standard brackets, but I mean, Rob, we do have other brackets available for the WLS27, right?
Yeah, exactly, Bob. We've got some of the carryover brackets. WLS27 has been out for a while for Banner. Give you some hanging capabilities, there's some direct machine mount capabilities, even some magnetic options. But one we can take out of a different box today is the vertical bracket we see here. So we see grabs on nicely to the side of the light, gives you vertical mounting capabilities, and I think we've got this lined up for our demos later in the video.
Awesome. And so along with this bracket that Rob just pulled in, you're looking at the standard diffuse window, okay? So with the heavy diffuse window versus standard diffuse window, Rob, why would somebody want one versus the other?
Yeah, we kind of expect the heavy diffuse window to be used in closer proximity to operators. Knocks the intensity down a little bit, makes it a little more comfortable for close range usage. And in terms of the standard window, we do have greater visibility to each individual LED there. And so for some of the measuring or distance-based applications that we'll accomplish with this, you'll get more linear resolution of those individual LEDs.
Very cool. So why don't we get this powered up and get into Pro Editor. Okay, so the WLS27 Pro is running in demo mode right now, just going through all the different animations. We're going to connect our Pro Editor software to it and make some changes. Rob, could you just explain for the viewers, or to the viewers, what Pro Editor is?
Yeah, Bob, Pro Editor is Banner's free software compatible with not only the WLS27 strip light, but also tower lights, touch buttons, and standard indicators for machines and panels.
The launch page of this WLS27 Pro, we have all the different animations that we can pick. Just for this demo, we're going to keep it simple and use the timer feature. This is kind of a cool feature, right, Rob? I mean, I don't know, what's a good application for like a timer?
Yeah, as the name implies, timer can be used for applications like tack time or showing time remaining, for example, during changeover or maintenance. And the cool part is that the timer capability is built into the light. So once we tell it a maximum time and define some thresholds, it's going to do that counting automatically, no external control required.
And that's just controlled with the pins on the M12 connector, right? There's some sort of start-stop pin of some
Yep, yeah, we've got power on the brown and blue wires like we're all used to, and then we have a pause or start wire on white, and then also reset capability on the black wire.
Cool. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and make this sort of quick and pick the standard settings and go ahead and click right, and what you're going to see is that the WLS27 Pro is now using the timer feature, where it's going to begin counting up from the bottom of the light all the way to the top. If I want to go ahead and change the direction of that, that's really easy. You know, I can just pick the direction, go down, hit right, and we should see it actually behave just completely different than it was before. If we want to speed this up, maybe we want the countdown to only be 3 seconds, go ahead and click right, and we're going to see the countdown timer speed up quite a bit. We can change the colors real easily. Maybe I want to see violet, and then maybe like spring green, we'll go with that, and then use yellow in the middle, and then maybe daylight white at the end. I can write that, and then we'll see the colors change on there. We can even change where the colors appear on the light, and this is just the timing feature. So there's a lot of flexibility in this product. Okay, so we thought we'd show you one other animation, which we call gauge mode. And what Rob has set up is the WLS27. We put it into gauge mode using Pro Editor, using this animation right here. And then we have one of our Q4X laser distance measurement sensors connected in. Rob, maybe explain a little bit about that application and what we have.
Yeah, Bob, so you see the cabling on the table, simple splitter, one end connected to the light, the other to the Q4X in my hand, and then 24 volts coming in. Again, no connection to Pro Editor, no connection to any other controller. And now, as I move the Q4X across its program distance, in gauge mode, we'll see the WS correspond with some green in the middle, indicating I'm in a good range. And as I get too near or too far from that range, we'll go to a red state.
So those were a couple of really cool applications that we were able to show you using the Pro Editor. Rob, this thing can do a lot more than that. It's, it also functions just as a basic strip light, right?
Yeah, exactly. It has RGB WLEDs inside, which gives us high quality light at the 5000K daylight level, but also allows us to change color temperatures for increased operator comfort and ergonomics.
So, what's really cool about all this, configurability is that normally to get the different color temperatures in the different colors or patterns or whatever it may be, these are purchasing different lights, different part numbers, managing all this different inventory. Whereas now it's a single part number depending on length, of course, and a manufacturer or an end user can actually just have a handful of part numbers and then make infinite combinations, right, with the Pro Editor tool.
Exactly, yeah. Just rewrite the light from your stock as often as needed. And on top of that, Pro Editor gives a save and load capability. So for the most commonly used configurations, just pull those from the archives, write it directly to the light. So no full configuration required every time, just a simple write.
Awesome. Well, if you're interested in seeing more, just go ahead and reach out to your local banner source, or just drop me a note in the comments or in the LinkedIn post or a message or something like that, and we'll be happy to get you some more information, get you a demo or a sample or whatever we need to do. So, hope you have a great day. Thank you.